What is up, guys? Back again, making motovlogs. This time on a SV650. Significantly slower than the Z900, but it's still a good bike. I think this bike is definitely faster than my Ninja 650. I think top speed on this is like 130 something, 133 versus 128 on the Ninja. Yeah. Whew. It's cold right now. Hella cold. I'm just taking it out for a spin. I'm not gonna go too crazy fast. I guess I'm gonna try not to. Overall, this bike is very nimble. Like, even it's way nimble. Super nimble. Holy shit. This might be the most nimble bike I've ever owned. Like, I've been on lighter ones like the CB 500R, and this bike is a lot heavier but feels much more nimble. Definitely slower though. Like, I'm pushing it and it feels like like it's a baby, or like a toy almost. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall off. It's nice. I'm just pretty much cruising right now. Nothing crazy. Trying to see how much the acceleration is here. Wow, that's slow. Going from the Z900 to this is like that's funny. Oh, bump. Trying to downshift, trying to relearn how to downshift. Okay, it's got some power. Okay, take it back. It's got some bite to it. Got a good decent bite. A good decent amount. Woo! Jeez. Definitely faster than the Ninja 650. Wow, I'm so rusty with downshifting. What the fuck? But then again, I was never really good. Wow, it's horrible downshifting. Okay. It's got some power. It's pretty good. It's pretty good, actually. This definitely will satisfy me. As long as I just shift to third gear, that'll be good. All right, here from 60. All right, 16 with downshift from all the way to third. Wow. Okay. That's pretty decent. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Satisfying. a decent amount of torque. Holy fuck. That's good. Woo! Exhilarating right here. Pretty good, pretty good. This bike will satisfy me. Just practicing downshifting. I forgot how to downshift on this thing, bro. Wow, that's horrible. I think I downshifted too much. Damn, this thing needs an exhaust badly, bro. Oh, a tunnel. Let's see how well it sounds. Oh, it would sound a lot better with the exhaust.